What up guys, Jamie, Born Detailer. I got a beginner scratch and wet sand removal for beginners, just really quick. All these lighter gouges in this paint, and you can slightly grab your finger on them, but I'm just gonna wet sand them with my 3000 grit Trizac and a pad. And I got my soap and water. This is Dawn soap. You just need something with a little bit of lubricity to make it easy when you glide over the paint. Right off the bat, I'm gonna have just like a light, not much water. That's probably more than you actually need. And I'm just gonna sand this area. So when I'm sanding, I'm going one direction, this direction, and then I'm gonna cross back over, and I'm gonna go the other way. Just light. Nothing, not a lot of pressure. You wanna grab your towel. You can see like this is where my sanding marks were at. There's a little bit more of the scratch right there. Cool. All right, so I sanded this part down. I kind of look inside the texture of the actual lights. And then I'm just gonna go over and hit it with my 5-inch Meguiar's microfiber. And then I'm gonna hit it with a polish. So instead of just going with my most aggressive compound, I'm just gonna pad up. So meaning pad up, I'm gonna use more of aggressive pad and then stick with an actual polish versus the actual compound. Just for me, it's a lot easier just to choose one way, just in case if I do have to do a two-step, I don't have to IPA it or wipe it down. I could just go ahead with the next thing. Okay, so now, just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of DIY polish on there, gold standard, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and just do one slow pass on there and just to see how good I can get it. So right now I'm kind of going I'm at 4, and I'm just going slower passes, letting the polisher do the work. It should just be maybe 2 solid passes. Should easily get 3000 grit sandpaper out, sand scratches out. So like these scratches need to still be wet sanded out. They're not gonna really just polish out. They're just a little too deep. Sweet. Damn, dude. That's insane. Okay, so in camera, you're probably not gonna pull up, but you can slightly still see that scratch, which is not gonna come out. But you can go ahead and look from here and then trace down to this. Look at the texture. So this is just overall a flatter surface now to here. So anyways, guys, that's how you do beginner wet sand, polish, scratch removal. We have a gold standard polish, Meguiar's, microfiber, Rupes, 15mm, beginner quick tips. Thank you guys for watching. Born Detailer, Jamie in the house. Peace out.